Hi guys, so I'm going to be reviewing this Wonder Woman action figure I just got. I got one from my aunt for Christmas. Shush. She comes with a sword and a shield. I'm going to do a close-up of the sword and shield. She can just lay off to the side. So this is what the shield looks like. And to attach it, they are little things that will fit, or like grooves that will fit. And I love how much detail they have put into the sword's handle. Yeah, I just dropped this field. I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to end up painting it to look like the actual sword that she has in Justice League. Yes, this is the Wonder Woman from Justice League. Not the Wonder Woman from Wonder Woman. I wanted to get the Flash from Justice League, but they don't have the Flash. Wah. But this is what she looks like. I am dying with these boots. They are so much. They have so much detail in it. And her top is amazing. And the face. It has a ton of detail. I love the way the hair was sculpted. I really hope they make more Wonder Woman action figures like this. Because I think a lot of girls like it. And the sword goes on the side where the rope is. So it goes on this side. And then the shield. And there's two different sizes. One's small and one's bigger. The bigger one goes with the gauntlet and the other one goes where like the wrist is. I just dropped the sword. Oops. Wonder Woman, I'll use your sword, dude, Diana. So this is what she looks like, and I always like doing like a. I'm listening to Battlefield, so I thought it was perfect for her. I'm signing off. Oh, wait, hold on. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points of articulation. She can turn at the hips. She can sit somewhat, but the skirt does interfere. She can bend at the knee, the wrist, the elbow, and she can go up, forward, and backwards with the arm. And she can turn her head slightly. I'm glad they added this little hip movement. I thought that was a good idea. Well, I am Rebecca, YouTube, and I'm signing off. Have a good holiday. Bye.